Right, almost ready.
Here comes Grandma! Hi, Grandma!
Hi, I brought you the camping stove.
Great, thanks. We'll make good use of that, I'm sure.
Grandpa! Grandma!
So, you're off on vacation. Are you excited?
Oh, yeah! Yeah, I can't wait. I've never been camping.
One last bag and then we're ready to go. Take good care of our cats.
Sure, we will.
Bye!
Bye.
Woohoo! We're there!
Hi, do you still have space for a little family tent?
Sure we do. I've drawn your site on this plan. You can drive your car in to unload your gear, but then please park outside in the parking lot.
Okay, thanks.
Here's our site.
Woohoo! We're there!
Oh, it's gorgeous here. Now we'll put up our tent.
Come on, we'll all put it up together. Heave ho!
Oh, cool! I want to go inside!
Yes, you can go in. Oh, look, we've even got power. I'll plug our cooler in.
First we have to unpack everything.
Ah, it's so lovely here. We've got everything we need.
It's so cool in the tent.
Right, now I'll plug the cooler in. And then I'll enjoy a nice cool drink.
I'll drive the car back out to the parking lot. Back in a minute. Finally on vacation. A beautiful camping site.
Look, some more people are arriving. Oh, they've got a really cool RV.
Yeah, impressive. Looks quite luxurious.
They've even got a grill with them. Oh, we should have brought ours too, shouldn't we have, Daddy?
It wouldn't have fit in the car, Lena. A camping stove isn't bad either.
Wow, they've really got it all. Not bad. Maybe next time we should rent an RV.
Oh, come on, staying in a tent's much more fun. It's way more exciting.
Oh, look, Hannah. They've got a little boy. Oh, yeah.
I'm hungry. How about you guys?
Yeah.
I better get cooking then. Today we're having tortellini, and tomorrow we'll go shopping.
The meat's almost ready.
Wow, I'm so full.
It's not as nice from the can, of course.
I thought it was lovely. We haven't had it in ages.
Bon appetit! Now we have to go wash the dishes. Will you help me, kids?
Okay. Okay.
There's a laundry over there. They've got sinks too. Look, we can wash our dishes in here. And later we'll brush our teeth here too.
Oh, funny.
I have to go to the bathroom.
We've washed the dishes, Daddy.
Yeah, and I'm in line for the toilets. Only a few more hours and it should be my turn.
This is the map of the camping site. Hi! Hi, I'm Nico. I'm staying over there in the RV. Do you feel like playing cards? Yeah, okay, I like playing cards. I'm not very good yet, but I'll come anyway. Daddy, can we go to Nico's to play cards?
Sure, why not? That's the cool thing about camping. There are always kids around to play with.
This is Anna and this is Lena. We're going to play cards. Hi!
Hi.
It's cool in your RV. Oh yeah, we come camping here every year. It kind of gets boring. It's our first time here. We're staying in a tent.
Oh, crap! How old are these chairs your parents lent us?
Not these like a mini house. Wow, it's really beautiful here. Yeah, we've got everything. And here we've even got our own toilet. That's handy. I need to go. Can I use your toilet? Sure, go for it.
I have to go to the bathroom again. Oh no, there's a line again.
Here we've got a TV and a kitchenette. And I sleep up here. Wow, it's so cool here.
Hey kids, do you need to go to the toilet too? Because you have to leave yourself plenty of time.
No, we went in the RV.
Oh, you've got it good.
Huh? It's spitting. Oh yeah, it's starting to rain. Come on quick, let's go under the awning by the RV.
Oh no, now it's starting to rain. Such bad luck.
Quick, get everything inside.
And our kids managed to get the best spots, of course. And this old tent of Grandpa's doesn't even have an awning. Now we just have to sit inside. Hopefully it's not bad weather the whole time.
It's meant to be great beach weather tomorrow.
Why don't you come over too?
Shall we go?
Yeah, come on. At least there we can sit on chairs.
Dear kids, dear Playmobil fans, I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, we'd love it if you could give it a thumbs up. And if you like, you can watch some more here.